What is a good niche for internet marketing? Selecting your niche is the most important first step for any content creator. You want your audience to view you as an authority on the topic, so being specialized helps a lot. But which niche should you pick? That's what this article will help you find out. Not having a niche will keep your audience very confused about what it is that you're actually doing. If you keep your audience confused, nobody will buy from you. Just think of the niche you select today as your future audience. Who will be the people you will want to talk to, market to and sell to? From my past experiences after blogging in numerous different niches, I can definitely say, the idea of a best niche is an illusion. The article adds up some of the most beneficial niches are evergreen ones, which include health, wealth and relationship. These niches will never dry out as long as humans exist. The products and services in these niches will be forever in demand. But if your focus is just on an evergreen niche, you're focusing on the wrong thing. There is an exception to evergreen niches, the entertainment niche. Consider gaming as an example, with kids earning thousands every month without even selling anything, just through advertising fees. This video will help you in finding the right niche for you. Selecting a niche is not as easy as choosing what to eat for breakfast. It's really a big decision. There are no quick fixes and overnight successes in any niche. You have to work behind it to make it successful. This video highlights why people start blaming their niche when the going gets tough and when they do not see any positive results. The most repeated mistake people do is that they focus on broader niches. Health, fitness and weight training are examples of broader niches. Try picking out as many sub-niches as you can. For example, exercises only using dumbbells is a really good and specific niche. The niche you select must be as specific as possible, a niche that you don't mind researching daily, and it must have products to review. Research your niche daily by reading blog posts/articles, watching videos and following social media accounts. People mostly buy from experts in their niche and not from discouraged hobbyists. So when you establish a niche, you have to come up with lots of good content so that you are recognized as an authority in your sub-niche. It has been proven that product reviews are the best method to make sales. This is mostly applicable to affiliate marketing. Some key points to follow to be successful in any niche. Try picking something very specific that generates interest among the audience. Develop a personal interest and research daily to be up to date in your niche. Generate a lot of free content for the selected sub-niche to reach expert status. Create product reviews consistently to succeed in affiliate marketing as well. Anyone can make money online. Doesn't matter what your experience level is.